Often during renovation, different people do different jobs, such as painters might do the painting, and sometimes there's an interim in between different functions of the job. And you want to keep things from going smelly. Today's video is an option when you have plastic tubular pop-ups.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Countertops. Pop-ups are always nasty. You want to make sure that you take this, apart so that it doesn't crack the trap, which I've done. Cracked off the ABS inside the wall. Horrible deal, but if you want a fast way, PVC cutter right here. I'll be replacing all this anyway.
a little lower is probably better.
That allows me to leave the trap filled with water so the unit doesn't sink. And I can cut right through it.
Yeah, a little lower is better so you don't hit the pop-up itself.
So that one right at the end got a little tough there for some reason. There we go. I'm gonna rotate it, and we're through. And it looks like something nasty in there. But anyway, now it's cut so that I can uninstall the sink, no problem. These are pretty fast. You can just undo them, make sure the water was turned off already. These are fast enough. You could cut them. Everything's getting replaced. There'll be a little bit of water in there. That's that. Since these angle stops are getting replaced as well, I can just cut the line. Okay, the water. Probably almost easier just to the nut on the deal. That was an experiment. See if that would work out good or not. And again, these lines are getting replaced, so not a big deal. It's really easy enough to just take it here. Undo the twist off the 3/8 inch nut. Do a little demolition. Part of why this was hard is maybe I cut the pop-up. Nope, pop-up is above the deal, so I'll have to be careful for the pop-up. Nope, it's still sitting above, so that's good. Ouch. Ooh. Get myself on that. Finish that off. Alright. I left some kind of sharp braided edges, so not the best way to, probably not best to cut through those. But the other deal worked out good.
A quick search at my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.